Does this look familiar? Notice its incredibly sleek design. Every groove, every indent, every detail, sublime. HMC has been a pioneer in the global personal care brand for more than 20 years in the market. HMC is honored to be on the approval list of global brand owners. This wonderful everyday use product can be made of Moplen RP348N and has good flow properties, allowing for more freedom of design. And with that freedom to be more creative, we've designed a range of more intricately beautiful caps and closures. At HMC, our PP-grade resins allow these caps and closures to have low-stress whitening and incredible long-term seal capabilities, meaning they truly stand the test of time. The features of this PP, Moplen EP545L, include enhanced strength and stiffness, excellent impact balance, resistance to dust and dirt, good heat stability, high slip resistance, high gas pressure, CO2 resistance, and a short cycle time for high productivity while allowing for easy opening. HMC Polymers continuously focuses its product portfolio to deliver targeted solutions that anticipate and respond to the needs of our customers, along with new trends in today's dynamic business environment.